In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Finviz Short Float Filter. To start, open your browser and head to finviz.com screener ASAX. This is the Finviz Screener, a free tool for scanning U.S. stocks by fundamentals, ownership, and technicals. The layout is simple, and we'll use just what we need to target short interest. Once the screener loads, make sure the filters panel is visible. If you only see the results table, click the Filters button to expand the options. With the panel open, you'll see categories like Descriptive, Fundamental, Technical, and Ownership. Now, locate the setting labeled Float Short. Depending on the view, it may appear under Descriptive or Ownership. Float short represents the percentage of the freely tradable share float that has been sold short. Higher values can signal crowded bearish bets and the potential for sharp moves if sentiment shifts. Set the range that matches your plan. Greater than 20% is a common threshold for high short interest. For only the heaviest setups, choose 30% or higher. Tighter thresholds yield fewer, more extreme candidates. Looser ones give a broader list. Small floats can move violently, so size your risk. To refine further, add optional filters. Average volume above 500,000 or 1 million helps ensure liquidity, so orders fill more reliably. Price above $5 or $10 excludes many microcaps. Relative volume or current volume highlights names active today. You can also layer basics like RSI to spot overbought or oversold conditions. Adjust one filter at a time and watch the result count update so you can see which setting has the biggest impact. When you're done, review the results table. Sort by the float. Short column to surface the most heavily shorted names first, or sort by market cap, volume, or performance to match your priorities. If needed, switch the order to scan mid-range ideas before the outliers. Short interest data isn't real-time and can lag, so pair this screen with current price action and clear risk controls. That's the process. With a few clicks, you can use the Finviz Short Float Filter to build focused watch lists quickly and confidently.